Hello everyone, this is Drew for Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2016 Porsche Cayenne S E-Hybrid. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbocharged or supercharged V6 with an electric motor which will generate 416 horsepower and has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Pretty cool. So back in this is like the pretty basic Porsche interior from this time. This was a shifter that you find in a lot of Cayennes. It has like this Tiptronic transmission, right? You have all like you have a wide array of buttons all in the center. You have these grab handles. You have a reverse camera in this vehicle. Heated seats, ventilated seats. You have the nice clock up there, which I really like. And then I love the Porsche gauge cluster. Before it went pretty digital on a lot of the newer ones. You have an analog tach. On the e-hybrids, you have like the boost gauge to show you like the e-power assist. And then you have one screen. You can have the map up there, which is cool. And with the e-hybrids, you get like the green color scheme, the green color on the brake calipers and all that, which we'll look at in a second. You also have a green, needle in the gauge in the tach and the speedometer. Or the speedometer is actually that one right there. It's a digital speed display. You have Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, e-Power, Sport, e-Charge. You have a panoramic sunroof. Let's walk around this Porsche. I really like Porsche e-hybrids. Best of both worlds. Nice green calipers, as I mentioned. Here are the rear seats. You have a Bose sound system in this vehicle. You also have quad outlet exhaust, which is really cool. Just a Cayenne S has quads. You expect like a GTS or a turbo to have quad exhaust, but this one has it too, which is nice. Let's go for a quick drive in this Cayenne and see what it's like. I used to think like Cayennes came with the PDK as well, but Cayennes have the Tiptronic, as I mentioned, for towing capacity. I was talking to someone who owns a Cayenne Turbo GT, and he was saying like it has Tiptronic again. They tried PDK for a year or two or something, but then people were having issues with the transmission when they tried towing, right? Which makes sense, because I don't think that kind of transmission was meant for towing. Feels pretty smooth. Seats are really comfortable. transmission also responds pretty well. Handling is decent, but like the steering is definitely a little bit vague. It's not as precise as I thought it would be. Still pretty good though. And obviously you're gonna have a more precise feeling in a Panamera or something. Cayenne's or a Macan. Cayenne's obviously like the bigger SUV, of course, so it's not really quite the same. And I really like the Porsche steering wheels. They're very nice, and Porsche's logo is beautiful too. Looks very premium. And I just really like the neon green color scheme of the e-hybrids. It's definitely cool for sure. It's a good look. Overall, this Porsche Cayenne e-hybrid is nice to drive, good looking SUV, good interior, and classic Porsche feeling in here. Thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for vehicles like this Porsche Cayenne.